Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vartita Learning Platform, and in today's video we are going to discuss something more about the tuples, like how to modify a tuple and how to update a tuple and how to clear a tuple. Okay, so let us have these two tuples rec1 and rec2 as the reference. So in the rec1, suppose I want to update this date of birth. Okay, someone says that my date of birth was wrong, so I have to update it. So what we will do? So for that, you need to do something very simple, which is rec1 dot not dot rec1, and it's like the first element is the date of birth. So here it's like 1st August 1982. Suppose you have to update it, then in that case it will be like this. And if I print it console.log, let me just remove this and let me just write like console.log, and then you print the record 1 all values, then you will be able to see that all the date of birth was updated, right? So you will be able to see that our code has updated the date of birth. So let me transpile it and then let me run it through the node command, and you will be able to see that it has been updated. So updation or the modification inside a tuple is very simple. You can easily do that. And the next topic is like how to clear a tuple. Okay, how you can clear a tuple. Suppose inside rec1 we have Vikash, this date of birth and his salary and we want to clear this tuple. So it's very simple. Tuple, or you can say like record1, the name is record1 is equal to, simply you can make it empty. Now it is empty. So if you will print it console.log record1, then in that case it will print nothing. So if you want to see, let me clear a screen and then just run it. Transpile it, and now let me just run it, and you will be able to see that it has been empty. Okay, so in this case, this is the way you can clear a tuple, and there are many other things that we can discuss around this, but I leave it up to you with some more exercises. Okay, so you can do something like create a list of tuple, not a list of tuple, create a tuple of tuples having number of records and print the names, print the records in the sorted order of the names of the employees. Okay, so you have to create the number of tuples just like we have created on the top of this, and you have to print all the name of the employees in the sorted order, all the records in the sorted order of the employees. Okay, so just like here, if I sort it, then first Rajesh's name should come and then Vikas's name should come. I mean, first the Rajesh record should come and then Vikas's record should come. So how you will do that, this I leave it up to you. And if you are able to do this, if you are successfully able to do this without any problem, then you are really good in programming, and you can do really good with TypeScript, AngularJS, or anything wherever the TypeScript has been used. Okay, so that's it for today's video. It was a small video. In the next video, we will close all the tuple things. So only one topic remains for the tuple, and we will discuss that in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye, and please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share with your friends.